Hello folks, welcome back to Outdoors with Mike. And today's video, how to set rabbit snares and check them. We set the rabbit snares yesterday. We'll check them today. My first snare, I see a rabbit there. Let's check it out. I'll show you the rabbit and then I'll put the camera away and then I'll show you when he's all prepared. All right. Well, it looks like we have a soup, folks. Let's check it out. Got my knife. We're good to go. We don't want to startle him. There he is, folks. First snare successful. Right there, folks. Yeah. I'll extinguish him. I'll get back to you in a minute. All right, folks. Got our first rabbit, heron. Very grateful. Thank you, Lord. Let's continue on to the next snare. We'll walk down fast. There's another good trail I missed. Yeah. Let's come to the next. Good to use snowshoes. My other snares here, got nothing in there. Oh, he ran out this way. Right there. Yeah. Let's go this way. Oh. Whew. It's hard walking. Got the one rabbit. All right, folks, I'll continue on and I'll show you if I get a rabbit. Yeah. We got a miss, folks. We'll fix it. Set you down. We'll fix our snare. Yeah, continue on that way. I'll keep checking. Here's another snare. Nothing in it. I'll show you right there. Yeah. We'll continue on. We got a rabbit. We'll walk down here. Okay, guys can walk with me. We'll check it out. Here's a good one. He went down there. He has to break his trail. This is where I got a stick. And we'll go check it over here. Right there's one. Nothing. I'll walk down here. Right there, nothing. Continue on. It snowed and they're still making their trails after the snowfall. Walk through here. Right, here's one. No rabbit in there today. Continue on. Coming to the end. One snare down. One snare over there. Nothing in that. Got a couple more left, folks. Then we're done for the snares. Let's hope we get one right in here. Back to the highway. Right here. Right there. Oh, it's a miss. That one's still good. And this one was a miss. Let's fix it. There. Pepper. There's the other one. Put on my glove. There's the other snare. Nothing. Yeah, that's the last snare, folks. And then the road's just right there. Yeah. Here we go. You can see the truck from here. One rabbit we got. Enough for soup. Here's a good trail. Rabbit trail. Yeah. There's the truck. I'll walk to the truck. And we're done. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed this video. How to set rabbit snares. And we checked our rabbit snares. It's a little different in the summer because you can't see their tracks if you catch them with the drag pole. You have to tie it really good in the summer and stake it down really good. Maybe we'll do some in the summer, fall time. But yeah, we got a rabbit, we're successful. Now we can make a soup. Please like, share and subscribe. Whoa, got the rabbit in the pot, folks. Got it all washed up. Here's some more, the back leg. Be very delicious. Thank you. Thank you, Lord. Bye for now.